In honor of BTS coming back, we are doing a Korean snack haul, reaction, whatever. Let's get right into it. Welcome back, down to Chris K, and I'm back again with another video. Once again, I'm gonna fix the intro, but we don't have the time. The live is about to start, the live performance. We are here with Korean snacks. We have this, let me take the two of them before it falls. We have the PEPERO Crunchy. Then we have the PEPERO White Cookie. I think back in my day, I used to really love this, but I'm gonna see if it still tastes the same. And then to wash all of that down, we have this. I heard this is really nice. I heard it's really nice, so I'm gonna try all of that. I have a straw, i.e. braces. So let's get right into it. So it has like a opening thing, so you just, ooh, I broke it terribly. This is the inside. Oh, you can just cut it. It's like the okay. This is the crunchy. Ooh. You think that because I have braces, it wouldn't work, but it's working perfectly well. This is a 10 out of 10. This one right here, a 10 out of 10. Really nice. Really nice. It tastes like bar. Do you guys know? It's not a bar one, but a bar one. Okay. This one, delicious. Okay. Our second one, same thing. Just open it. Oh, I opened this one better than the other one. This is how it looks on the inside. Same thing as the other one has. Oh, I think I opened it right on the. There we go. Okay. I'm expecting this to taste like Oreos. It kind of tastes like the other one. Or maybe because I tasted the other one. It's still good as well, but I'm gonna wash it down with this one and then come back to taste it again. But so far, 10 out of 10, both of them. This is the OKF Sparkling Green Apple. Those other flavors, there were a bunch of other flavors that I wanted to try first, but they only had this one, so I heard this one is good, green apple. I'm not really into sparkling water, but we're gonna taste it. It says 100 milliliters, 0 fat, 0 saturated fat, 9 grams of carbohydrates, 8 grams of sugar, 0 grams of protein, and 0 grams of salt. This just tastes like apple. Like, have y'all ever had flavored water? The apple one? I think they have that. This is really good. Oh my goodness. This spent 2 weeks in my fridge. Delicious. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, it tastes like the crunchy. It just has a little bit of a white chocolate taste, like compared to the other one. The other one was giving bar one, Snickers. This one is really giving Oreo. If you're wondering why I only eat this side, It's my stronger side, and I can't really bite with my front teeth. Now, 10 out of 10. I stand corrected. 10 out of 10. This was a snack, so this was this one. I gave it a 10 out of 10. 1 serving per containing serving size, 1 pack, 200 calories. Okay, 200 calories. Don't eat too much of this. Don't eat too much of this. This one is a little less. 1 serving per container, serving size, 1 pack, 32 grams. This is 160 calories. 160 calories. So compared to this one, this is less calories. But that was PEPERO. That was PEPERO reaction. I really like them. I think I'm really going to buy other ones. And I really liked this one as well. Tell me which one you would like me to try next, and I'll be back with another reaction or trial or whatever it's called.